Welcome to your dream home in the heart of San Antonio, Florida. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts a spacious open living area with a thoughtfully designed split floor plan, perfect for both privacy and togetherness. As you enter, you'll be greeted by elegant decorative columns and a picturesque bridge, adding character and charm to the space. The plant shelves offer a perfect spot to showcase your favorite greenery, adding a touch of nature indoors. Step through the sliders onto your expansive screened porch, where you can relax and unwind while enjoying the serene Florida weather. With a ceiling fan overhead, you'll stay cool and comfortable even on the hottest summer days. The kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring abundant cabinet space, a convenient breakfast bar, and sliding glass door access to the screened lanai. Whether you're cooking up a quick meal or entertaining guests, this kitchen is sure to impress. Retreat to the spacious master bedroom, complete with a generously sized walk-in closet, providing ample storage for all your belongings. The master bath is your personal oasis, featuring a luxurious garden tub and a separate shower stall, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Located in a coveted neighborhood, this home offers both comfort and convenience. Close to schools, shopping, dining, and recreational activities, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful